In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add realistic, ambient audio and sound effects to your AI-generated videos using Thinksound. We'll start with the free online demo to see how it works, and then I'll walk you through setting it up locally in ComfyUI for unlimited free audio generation on your own computer. Look at them run! I will crush you, puny humans. Fear the wrath of Kronos. Sorry. What was I saying again? I'm working on a project where I need to add audio to AI-generated videos I've created from historical images. The silence just doesn't do them justice. I'm going to use a new tool called Thinksound to create the ambient sound for these scenes. I thought you might be interested, so I'm going to walk you through how to use it, both with the simple online demo and a more powerful local setup. Let's get started. First, let's try the official Thinksound demo. It's a great way to test the technology without installing anything. I'm going to grab a video of a street scene I generated. This is a street in Hamburg, London from 1935. Let's name it Street in Hamburg, London, 1935. For the description, we'll keep it simple. Let's submit this and see what it generates for us. Okay, so it's not bad, but it sounds like a modern day street with cars. My scene is from 1935 and is mostly horse-drawn carriages. We need to be more specific. Street scenes seem to be a little bit noisy or complex for simple prompts, but I had much better results with this video of a vintage tipper lorry. Let's try this. Name it tip lorry, and for the description I'll be very specific. A tip lorry driving forward on an empty street while dumping sand, 1920, London. Alright, that's not bad. The sound matches the action pretty well. We'll download this so I can edit it into the final video later. Before we move on, let's try one more, a submarine. I definitely don't have any audio for this. We'll call it submarine and the prompt will be submerging into the water. Not bad. Let's try it again to see if we can get a different result. And it looks like I've used up my daily quota for the demo, so you can see how it works. It's a fantastic tool, especially for being free to try. If you're desperate for a sound effect, this is a great way to find a solution without it costing you anything. But what if you want more control and unlimited generations? For that, we can run Thinksound locally using ComfyUI. This is the ComfyUI version running on my Windows machine. I'm only using a card with 12 GB of RAM, an NVIDIA RTX 3060. If you have a better graphics card, you'll get much better speeds. I know this node-based interface can look intimidating, but let's break it down. It's actually quite simple. This is the heart of the operation. It takes our video and our text prompt and generates the sound. These nodes load the AI models. You can choose different Thinksound models here. I'm using Thinksound Lite because it's a smaller checkpoint and uses less VRAM. Finally, this node takes our original video and the new audio and combines them into the final output file. The best thing about ComfyUI is you can see exactly how everything works. These boxes are just visual representations of code, making it easier to understand and modify the process. I downloaded all the required models from the Thinksound website, and I'll post the links to those in the description below. Okay, let's run that submarine video through our local setup. Now let's write our prompt. In the caption box I'll write submarine as it submerges into the water. Everything is set. I'm just going to press the Control plus Enter to run the workflow, and it's gone straight to the sampler. If you have a lot of VRAM, this process could already be finished for you. For me, it takes a moment. Time for a coffee. And here we go. Let's hear the results. Hey, that's pretty good. To find the file, I just go to my ComfyUI output folder, and that's it. Generated completely locally, absolutely free, and the result is fantastic. As you can see, Thinksound is an incredibly powerful tool for breathing life into your silent videos. Whether you use the quick online demo or the powerful local ComfyUI setup, you can create the perfect soundscape for your projects. If you want to learn more and see more tutorials like this one, like and subscribe for my tips, tutorials, thoughts and projects on artificial intelligence. Hit that notification button because the next video you are not going to want to miss. AI ethics. See you in the next video.